Welcome to Solo and Smart, the YouTube channel for adults at risk of growing older alone. My name is Carol Marrock at carolmarrock.com. And this should be the last video around the questions to ask yourself around your care. And tomorrow, hopefully, we'll talk about selecting a healthcare proxy. So I want to finish up by having you download the workbook that was designed for the conversation project. You can retrieve it in the description of this video. So I'm going to talk about now my wishes and preferences. What wishes and preferences do you have for your care? For example, if my health situation worsens, here's what I want to make sure happens, that does happen. I want to stay as independent as possible. I want to get back home. I want my doctors to do absolutely everything they can to keep me alive. I want everybody to respect my wishes. So these are some examples. Just think about what you want if your health worsens. And things to consider, here's what I want to make sure does not happen. For example, I don't want to become a burden on my family or my friends or my support circle. I don't want to be alone. I don't want to end up in ICU on a lot of machines, and I don't want to be in a lot of pain. Those are examples as well. So what else you want to make sure your family, friends, clinicians, your healthcare team know about you and your wishes and preferences for care if you get sicker. So think about some of those questions, download the workbook and fill it out, and that way you know that your wishes will at least be documented, and be sure to give them to your doctor. But that will be another video. That it's in the workbook actually. The conversation project tells you how to start the conversation with your doctor. So thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions, please post it in the comment section and let's have a dialogue. Thank you.